Did you know that the TheraFace Mask Glo can be considered FSA or HSA eligible? Today, we're going to go over what the TheraFace Mask Glo actually is, and we will show you how to use your FSA or HSA card to purchase the product. It's Glo time. So, a little bit about the history on the TheraFace Mask Glo. It's brought to you by the makers of Therabody, which provide the very popular massage guns that are available in the marketplace. And over the last few years, red light therapy has come about as a popular way to treat wrinkles, acne, fine lines, and other skin conditions. And Therabody decided to get into the marketplace, and they created their own high-end product. Now, this isn't your average face mask. It's packed with 504 LED lights that deliver red light, infrared light, and blue light directly to your skin. Now, it covers your full face and neck so you can relax while you watch TV or simply close your eyes on your bed, and it runs for a 12-minute treatment that you're supposed to do several times a week. Now, one of the key features that sets it apart from the competition is the built-in massage feature. You access it by simply pressing and holding the side button. It starts vibrating. You press it again and it increases the intensity, and you may be able to hear it on the video at home. And this is really something that helps and is important because it ultimately will relieve tension and increase circulation, making the overall experience very relaxing. Clinically proven in a 12-week study, which happens to be the longest for any LED mask on the marketplace, it helps improve your overall skin results without any downtime. So, Lily, how ridiculous do I look with this mask on?
So ridiculous.
Do you recognize me?
No.
Should I do the rest of the video with the mask off?
Yes, please.
All right, we'll work on that now. So, John, how is the TheraFace Mask Glo considered FSA or HSA eligible? I'm glad you asked. So, to take a step back, in general, if the purpose of the product or its intended use is for pure cosmetic reasons, such as fighting fine lines and wrinkles, generally in the IRS's eyes, it's considered cosmetic, and as such, you can't use your FSA or HSA to purchase that particular product. However, if you have a true medical purpose, such as you're purchasing this product to help treat acne, eczema, or rosacea, in general, that's considered a medical condition, and in the IRS's eyes, you can purchase this product and use your FSA or HSA tax-favored funds to ultimately purchase the product and then enjoy its use. Now, if you want additional details on how FSAs or HSAs work, click on the link on the video in front of you. So now, let's go to the Therabody website, and we will show you how to load in your FSA or HSA card to purchase this particular product. Now, to purchase the TheraFace Mask Glo, the easiest thing to do is to go to the Therabody website. We do that, and we find TheraFace Mask Glo, and we scroll down, and we see that it is currently on sale for $330, normal price of about $380. We're going to click Add to Bag, and it's going to try to see if we are interested in a depuffing wand or two. We are going to skip. We are going to click Checkout. We do so, and we could do an express checkout on top. However, to take advantage of the FSA or HSA, we do need to scroll down to the bottom. So we would normally type our email address in here, along with where we're looking to have it shipped to. For now, we're going to skip all that. And we are going to simply click on the option for Flex, Pay with HSA or FSA. So what this basically says is after clicking Pay Now, you will be redirected to Flex, Pay with FSA or HSA to complete your purchase securely. And once we click Pay Now, it says, good news, all items are HSA/FSA eligible. Enter your HSA/FSA card to complete your purchase. And then we simply click Pay Now. Now, I strongly recommend that you ultimately save the receipt in case your FSA or HSA administrator requires it in the future. Now, we want to hear from you guys. Would you consider purchasing the TheraFace Mask Glo for either yourself or your family members? And if you did, what was the overall experience like? And did you feel ridiculous looking like me? Comment below.